S1 Smart Lock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.